Ram Sarvebhyah. Welcome to class 29 of Learning to Chant Narayaniyam. We'll start with Dhyana Shlokam. Gurureva gatirgurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasti guroho madirasti gurau mama pahi guro श्रीकांतो मातुलो यस्य जननी सर्वमंगला जनकः शंकरो देवः तं वन्दे कुञ्जराननम् पीताम्बरं करविराजितशङ्खचक्रकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि. We will begin with revision from Dashakam 14, Shloka number 6. Ramya.
मनुनोपहृतां च देवहूतिं तरुणीरत्नमवाप्य कर्दमोऽसौ भवदर्चन निर्वृतोऽपि तस्यां दृढशुश्रूषणया दधौ प्रसादम् स पुनस्त्वदुपासनप्रभावात् दयिता कामकृते कृते विमाने वनिताकुलसङ्कुलो नवात्मा व्यहरद्देव पथेषु देवहूत्या शतवर्षमथ व्यतीत्य सोऽयं नवकन्याः समवाप्य धन्यरूपाः वनयानसमुद्यतोऽपि कान्ताहितकृत्वज्जननोत्सुकोऽन्यवात्सीत् निजभर्तृगिरा भवन्निषेवा निरताय मथ देवदेवहूत्यां कपिलस्त्वमजायथा जनानां प्रथयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम् वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने मत सर्वस्वमुपादिशन् जनन्यै कपिलात्मकवायुमन्दिरेश त्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां गदौघात्। इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये कपिलावतारं नाम चतुर्दशतमं दशकं समाप्तं। नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
Good. So from Ekadasham to Trayodasham, rather even 14th Chaturdasham Dashakam, in the end I told Chaturdasham instead of Chaturdashatamam. Chaturdasham is also fine, but beyond 20 we will be continuing with the Tamam, the Tamap Pratyaya. So here also from 11 we will change everything to Tamam. I will add it in the texts, the scripts I will add it. It is still not changed. But just the word, instead of Chaturdasham, it is Chaturdashatamam. Today when teaching the 15th Dashakam, it will be taught like that. Next, Arjun, 15.1.
मतिरिह गुणसक्ता बन्धकृत्तेष्वसक्ता त्वमृतकृदुपरुन्धे भक्तियोगस्तु सक्तिम् महदनुगमलभ्या भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च मात्राश्च भूतान्यपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पूरुषः पञ्चविंशः इति विदितविभागो मुच्यते सौ प्रकृत्या कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः प्रकृतिगतगुणौघैर्नाच्यते पूरुषोऽयं यदि तु सजति तस्यां तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन् मदनुभजन तत्त्वालोचनैः साप्यपेयात् कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः.
You have to repeat the third line. It is repeat the third line just. Let's see.
मदनुभजन तत्त्वालोचनैः साप्यपेयात् कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः. विमलमतिरुपात्यैरासनाद्यैर्मदङ्गम् गरुडसमधिरूढम् दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्कम् रुचितुलिततमालं शीलयेतानुवेलम् कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः. मम गुणगणलीलाकर्णनैः कीर्तनाद्यैः मयि सुरसरिदोघप्रख्यचित्तानुवृत्तिः भवति परमभक्तिः सा हि मृत्योर्विजेत्री कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः.
From shloka number 6, Purti.
अहह बहुलहिंसा सञ्चितार्थैः कुटुम्बं प्रतिदिनमनुपुष्णन् स्त्रीजितो बाललाली विशतिः गृहसक्तो यातनां मय्यभक्तः कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः. युवति जठर किन्नो जातबोधोऽप्यकाण्डे प्रसवगलितबोधः पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य बाल्यम् पुनरपि बत मुह्यत्येव तारुण्यकाले कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः. पितृसुरगणयाजी धार्मिको यो गृहस्थः स च निपतति काले दक्षिणाध्वोपगामी मयि निहितमकामं कर्म तु दक्पथार्थं कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः.
Good. So now we will move on to the new shloka, 15.9. Vijay Lakshmi.
इति सुविदितवेद्यां देवहे देवहूतिं कृतनुतिं अनुगृह्य
त्वंगतो
योगिसंघैः विमलमतिः अथासौ भक्तियोगेन
मुक्ता
मुक्ता मुक्ता
त्वमपि
त्वमपि त्वमपि
जनहितार्थं
जनहितार्थं जनहितार्थं
वर्तसे
वर्तसे वर्तसे
प्रागुदीच्याम्
प्रागुदीच्यां प्रागुदीच्याम्
इति सुविदित
इति सुविदित इति सुविदित
वेद्याम्
वेद्यां वेद्यां
देवहे देवहूतिम्
देवहे देवहूतिं देवहे देवहूतिं
कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य
कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य
त्वङ्गतः
त्वङ्गतः त्वङ्गतः
योगिसङ्घैः
योगिसङ्घैः योगिसङ्घैः
विमलमतिः
विमलमतिः विमलमतिः
अथासौ
अथासौ अथासौ
भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता
भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता
त्वमपि
त्वमपि त्वमपि
जनहितार्थं
जनहितार्थं जनहितार्थं
वर्तसे प्रागुदीच्याम्
वर्तसे प्रागुदीच्यां वर्तसे प्रागुदीच्याम्
इति सुविदितवेद्याम्
इति सुविदितवेद्याम् इति सुविदितवेद्याम्
देवहे देवहूतिम्
देवहे देवहूतिं देवहे देवहूतिं
कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य
कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य
त्वङ्गतो योगिसङ्घैः
त्वङ्गतो योगिसङ्घैः त्वङ्गतो योगिसङ्घैः
विमलमतिरथासौ
विमलमतिरथासौ विमलमतिरथासौ
भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता
भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता
मपि जनहितार्थम्
त्वमपि जनहितार्थं त्वमपि जनहितार्थं
वर्तसे प्रागुदीच्याम्
वर्तसे प्रागुदीच्यां वर्तसे प्रागुदीच्याम्
इति सुविदितवेद्याम् देवहे देवहूतिम्
इति सुविदितवेद्यां देवहे देवहूतिम् इति सुविदितवेद्यां देवहे देवहूतिम्
कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य त्वङ्गतो योगिसङ्घैः
कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य त्वङ्गतो योगिसङ्घैः कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य त्वं गतो योगी संघैः
मतिरथासौ भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता
विमलमतिरथासौ भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता विमलमतिरथासौ भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता
त्वमपि जनहितार्थं वर्तसे प्रागुदीच्याम्
त्वमपि जनहितार्थं वर्तसे प्रागुदीच्याम् त्वमपि जनहितार्थं वर्तसे प्रागुदीच्याम् इति सुविदितवेद्यां देवहे देवहूतिं कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य त्वं गतो योगी संघैः फुल्ला पढ़िए सेकेंड लाइन कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य त्वं गतो योगी संघैः विमलमतिरथासौ भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता विमलमतिरथासौ भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता त्वमपि जनहितार्थं वर्तसे प्रागुदीच्याम्.
Very good. I'll move on to shloka number 10. Aparna. Paramakimo
परमकिमो परमकिमो
bahuktya
बहुक्त्या बहुक्त्या
tvatpadambhoj
त्वत्पदाम्भोज त्वत्पदाम्भोज
bhaktim
भक्तिं भक्तिं
sakala bhaya
सकलभय
vinetrim
विनेत्रीं विनेत्रीं
sarvakama
सर्वकाम सर्वकाम
upanetrim
उपनेत्रीं उपनेत्रीं
vadasi khalo
वदसि खलु
dridhantvam
दृढन्त्वं
tadvidhoya
तद्विधूय
आमयान्मे
आमयान्मे
गुरुपवनपुरेश
गुरुपवनपुरेश
त्वयि
त्वयि
उपाधत्स्व
उपाधत्स्व
त्वय्युपाधत्स्व
त्वय्युपाधत्स्व
भक्तिम्
भक्तिम्
परमकिमो
परमकिमो
बहुक्त्या
बहुक्त्या
त्वत्पदाम्भोज भक्तिम्
त्वत्पदाम्भोज भक्तिम्
सकल भय विनेत्रीं
सकल भय विनेत्रीं सकल भय विनेत्रीं
काम
सर्वकाम सर्वकाम
उपनेत्रीं
उपनेत्रीं उपनेत्रीं
वदसि खलु
वदसि खलु वदसि खलु
दृढं त्वं
दृढं त्वं दृढं त्वं
तद्विधूयामयान्मे
तद्विधूयामयान्मे तद्विधूयामयान्मे
गुरुपवनपुरेश
गुरुपवनपुरेश गुरुपवनपुरेश
त्वय्युपाधत्स्व
त्वय्युपाधत्स्व त्वय्युपाधत्स्व
धत्स्व you should come a little more
त्वय्युपाधत्स्व त्वय्युपाधत्स्व
भक्तिं
भक्तिं भक्तिं
परम किमु बहुक्त्या
परम किमु बहुक्त्या परम किमु बहुक्त्या
पदाम्भोज भक्तिं
त्वत्पदाम्भोज भक्तिं त्वत्पदाम्भोज भक्तिं
अलभय विनेत्रीं
सकल भय विनेत्रीं सकल भय विनेत्रीं
मोपनेत्रीं
सर्वकामोपनेत्रीं सर्वकामोपनेत्रीं
वदसि खलु दृढं त्वं
वदसि खलु दृढं त्वं वदसि खलु दृढं त्वं
तद्विधूयामयान्मे
तद्विधूयामयान्मे तद्विधूयामयान्मे
गुरुपवनपुरेश
गुरुपवनपुरेश गुरुपवनपुरेश
युपाधत्स्व भक्तिं
त्वय्युपाधत्स्व भक्तिं त्वय्युपाधत्स्व भक्तिं
परम किमु बहुक्त्या त्वत्पदाम्भोज भक्तिं
परम किमु बहुक्त्या त्वत्पदाम्भोज भक्तिं परम किमु बहुक्त्या त्वत्पदाम्भोज भक्तिं
भय विनेत्रीं सर्वकामोपनेत्रीं
सकल भय विनेत्रीं सर्वकामोपनेत्रीं सकल भय विनेत्रीं सर्वकामोपनेत्रीं
वदसि खलु दृढं त्वं तद्विधूयामयान्मे
वदसि खलु दृढं त्वं तद्विधूयामयान्मे वदसि खलु दृढं त्वं तद्विधूयामयान्मे
गुरुपवनपुरेश त्वय्युपाधत्स्व भक्तिं
गुरुपवनपुरेश त्वय्युपाधत्स्व भक्तिम् गुरुपवनपुरेश त्वय्युपाधत्स्व भक्तिम् परम किमु बहुक्त्या त्वत्पदाम्भोज भक्तिम् सकल भयविनेत्रीं सर्वकामोपनेत्रीं वदसि खलु दृढं त्वं त्वद्विधूयामयान्मे
तद्विधूय
वदसि खलु दृढं त्वं तद्विधूयामयान्मे गुरुपवनपुरेश त्वय्युपाधत्स्व भक्तिम्
very last line now. इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
कपिलोपदेशन्नाम
कपिलोपदेशन्नाम कपिलोपदेशन्नाम
पञ्चदशतमम्
पञ्चदशतमं
दशकं समाप्तम्
दशकं समाप्तम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये कपिलोपदेशं नाम पञ्चदशतमं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते।
Now we will before we start the 16th dashakam, we have one more participant who wants to share their memorization experience and some tips if possible. So we will just call upon Geeta Vinod. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Guruji.
Ram Ram. You can share your video also if possible. Yes. You can see it. Ram Ram.
Namasarvebhyah. Hari Om. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I don't know whether I deserve to give any tips, but I'm here to share my feelings about the memorization test. First of all, I would like to thank Vyoma for this wonderful opportunity that we feel blessed. Hanta Bhagyam Jananam eva to be able to take part in this and listen to you teaching us so well. So I would like to thank Vyoma organizers and of course Guruji. Like any other bhakti, Navavidha bhakti or bhasha, everything starts with Shravanam. So first point is Shravanam, Shravanam, Shravanam throughout, whenever you can. First point will be to attend the class regularly, because it is one thing to attend the class and it is another thing to listen to the class later on. So once we attend the class, we automatically, like he says, we automatically get to listen to the same word, so brain gets acclimatized to that, and later on when we listen to him chanting at a stretch, slowly the brain gets used to it. So keep listening. That's what I do before I start learning any dashakam. I listen to it as many times as possible, his chantings, and then mananam automatically happens, and then patanam starts. I think that will help us shorten the learning time to a great extent. That is one thing that I wanted to share. And as every other person told, 1 week before the exam or whatever before, it is throughout only Narayaniyam eva. All our normal puja routine also gets converted to this. So ekagrata is another thing that we need to look at. Single point focus. If we are focused only on that, I think that will help us in learning. And when I was listening to Samhita talking last class from the child, she was in 4th grade, I think. I learned something from her. The thing is that child is not thinking about Vyakarana, that child is not thinking about the meaning, that child is having its focus only on learning, memorizing. So that is one point which I think we should take from the children. As we grow older, our interest diversifies. Of course, Jignasa is there, but I have promised myself that I will do all that once I learn the Dashakam fully. My daughter also keeps telling me, why are you going into all these intricate details? I mean, just learn it for the sake of it. So from children, we need to take that aspect where they don't look at any other aspect. Of course, all that is required, but let us do the learning first, then Kramena, the meaning will come to us in its own time. And of course, he is there to give the Bhavartham also. So that is one thing which I wanted to share. And judging criteria, the judging panel is so good that it gives us the onus is on us to deliver more and better the next time, because given all the problems of online, the problems are there with glitch and all that, still not a single akshara goes missing from them when you utter wrongly. So hats off to them, and the way they point out also is so kind, so nice, that you feel like putting in more effort the next. So that is one thing. And for those who feel that memorization is something that I can't do, I mean, I'm too old, I would like to tell them that Guruji himself told after the first memorization test that age notwithstanding, maybe the child will take 5 repeated versions, we will take 10 or 15 more, but it is only a question of degree and the time required. It is possible. I would urge every one of you attending the class regularly to take up the memorization. There is another issue with it. As we are doing one dashakam, we might feel very comfortable with the ucharana, and we might feel that I'm doing it only for Parayanam, so this is enough for me. Third dashakam. Now we are in the 13th dashakam. When you come back to the third dashakam, if we have not memorized, we will find ourselves not being very conversant with the ucharana as we were at the time of the dashakam being taught. So memorization helps you, at least you won't lose track of the ucharana of the third dashakam whenever you go back to it. So even if you're not able to recollect, you will at least not make a mistake in ucharana. So that way also memorization will definitely aid. I feel that way. And all his tips, Guruji's tips of 5 times repetition of every single line. First time I heard it, I smiled. Then I thought how important it is to do like a child, sit like a child, learn like a child, as though you don't know anything, start from zero base. The time required in memorizing is greatly reduced. That's the feeling that I got. And and we are very blessed to have a guru like this who even teaches you how to learn. One is splitting the words of the dashaka into small bits and teaching. Another thing is teaching you how to memorize, how to chant. It's a blessing for which we have to do justice, I feel, and the only way we can do justice is give back by memorizing and giving our inputs. This is our contribution. So, and one last word about the panelists I need to mention. I feel especially Spurti and Ramya, so much in line with Guruji's Shruti and diction, and it is very conducive for us to learn. So I thought I should mention a word about the panelists. Thank you for the opportunity. Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Thank you. Thanks a lot for sharing your experiences. We will continue for some time, and then we have one more participant, Prahlad, another child who will share his experience. Now, Ramya, Shodasham Dashakam. So in the 16th Dashakam, again, we are back to a familiar Chandas, that is Vasanta Delaka. We already seen it 3-4 times. And Vasanta Delaka is very nice meter, so Bhattatari also uses it in a lot of places. It's a very, probably he likes the meter also in his own way. And this Dashakam is about a very, not a very widely known story. It is about Nara and Narayana, which comes, and Dakshayaga. So there are a lot of stories in this 16th Dashakam. We will start off with Dashakam. Ramya. Okay. Dakshaha.
Dakshaha.
विरिञ्चितनयः
विरिञ्चितनयः विरिञ्चितनयः
अथ मनोः
अथ मनोः अथ मनोः
तनूजां
तनूजां तनूजां
लब्ध्वा
लब्ध्वा लब्ध्वा
सूतिमिह
प्रसूतिमिह प्रसूतिमिह
षोडश
षोडश षोडश
चापकन्याः
चापकन्याः चापकन्याः
धर्मे त्रयोदश
धर्मे त्रयोदश धर्मे त्रयोदश
ददौ पितृषु
ददौ पितृषु ददौ पितृषु
स्वधाञ्च
स्वधाञ्च स्वधाञ्च
स्वाहां हविर्भुजि
स्वाहां हविर्भुजि स्वाहां हविर्भुजि
सतीङ्गिरिषे
सतीं गिरिशे सतीं गिरिशे
त्वदंशे
त्वदंशे त्वदंशे
दक्षो विरिञ्चितनयः
दक्षो विरिञ्चितनयः दक्षो विरिञ्चितनयः
थ मनोस्तनूजां
I couldn't hear.
अथ मनोस्तनूजां
अथ मनोस्तनूजाम् अथ मनोस्तनूजाम्
लब्ध्वा प्रसूतिमिह
लब्ध्वा प्रसूतिमिह लब्ध्वा प्रसूतिमिह
षोडश चापकन्याः
षोडश चापकन्याः षोडश चापकन्याः
धर्मे त्रयोदश ददौ
धर्मे त्रयोदश ददौ धर्मे त्रयोदश ददौ
पितृषु स्वधाञ्च
पितृषु स्वधाञ्च पितृषु स्वधाञ्च
स्वाहां हविर्भुजि
स्वाहां हविर्भुजि स्वाहां हविर्भुजि
गिरिशे त्वदंशे
सतीं गिरिशे त्वदंशे सतीं गिरिशे त्वदंशे
दक्षो विरिञ्चितनयोऽथ मनोस्तनूजां
दक्षो विरिञ्चितनयोऽथ मनोस्तनूजाम् दक्षो विरिञ्चितनयोऽथ मनोस्तनूजाम्
लब्ध्वा प्रसूतिमिह षोडश चापकन्याः
लब्ध्वा प्रसूतिमिह षोडश चापकन्याः लब्ध्वा प्रसूतिमिह षोडश चापकन्याः
धर्मे त्रयोदश ददौ पितृषु स्वधाञ्च
धर्मे त्रयोदश ददौ पितृषु स्वधां च धर्मे त्रयोदश ददौ पितृषु स्वधां च
स्वाहां हविर्भुजि सतीङ्गिरिशे त्वदंशे
स्वाहां हविर्भुजि सतीं गिरिशे त्वदंशे स्वाहां हविर्भुजि सतीं गिरिशे त्वदंशे दक्षो विरिञ्चितनयोऽथ मनोस्तनूजां लब्ध्वा प्रसूतिमिह षोडश चापकन्याः धर्मे त्रयोदश ददौ पितृषु स्वधां च स्वाहां हविर्भुजि सतीं गिरिशे त्वदंशे.
Since we have come across this meter, the flow of the raga should be simple for all of you. Though some words here, that to this particular shloka, it will be difficult. Spurti, shloka number 2. Spurti. Murtirhi.
मूर्तिर्हि मूर्तिर्हि
धर्मगृहिणी.
धर्मगृहिणी धर्मगृहिणी
सुषुवे भवन्तं.
सुषुवे भवन्तं सुषुवे भवन्तं
नारायणं.
नारायणं नारायणं
नरसखं.
नरसखं नरसखं
महितानुभावं.
महितानुभावं महितानुभावं
यज्जन्मनि.
यज्जन्मनि यज्जन्मनि
प्रमुदिताः.
प्रमुदिताः प्रमुदिताः
कृततूर्यघोषाः.
कृततुर्यघोषाः कृततुर्यघोषाः कृततुर्यघोषाः
पुष्पोत्करान्.
पुष्पोत्करान् पुष्पोत्करान्
प्रववृषुः.
प्रववृषुः प्रववृषुः
नुनुवुः.
नुनुवुः नुनुवुः
सुरौघाः.
सुरौघाः सुरौघाः
मूर्तिर्हि.
मूर्तिर्हि मूर्तिर्हि
धर्मगृहिणी.
धर्मगृहिणी धर्मगृहिणी
सुषुवे भवन्तं.
सुषुवे भवन्तं सुषुवे भवन्तं
नारायणं नरसखं.
नारायणं नरसखं नारायणं नरसखं
महितानुभावं.
महितानुभावं महितानुभावं
यज्जन्मनि प्रमुदिताः.
यज्जन्मनि प्रमुदिताः यज्जन्मनि प्रमुदिताः
कृततूर्यघोषाः.
कृततूर्यघोषाः कृततूर्यघोषाः
पुष्पोत्करान्.
पुष्पोत्करान् पुष्पोत्करान्
प्रववृषुः.
प्रववृषुः प्रववृषुः
नुनुवुः.
नुनुवुः नुनुवुः
प्रववृषुर्नुनुवुः.
प्रववृषुर्नुनुवुः प्रववृषुर्नुनुवुः
सुरौघाः.
सुरौघाः सुरौघाः
प्रववृषुर्नुनुवुः सुरौघाः
प्रववृषुर्नुनुवुः सुरौघाः प्रववृषुर्नुनुवुः सुरौघाः
मूर्तिर्हि धर्मगृहिणी सुषुवे भवन्तम्
मूर्तिर्हि धर्मगृहिणी सुषुवे भवन्तम् मूर्तिर्हि धर्मगृहिणी सुषुवे भवन्तम्
नारायणं नरसखं महितानुभावम्
नारायणं नरसखं महितानुभावम् नारायणं नरसखं महितानुभावम्
यज्जन्मनि प्रमुदिताः कृततूर्यघोषाः
यज्जन्मनि प्रमुदिताः कृततूर्यघोषाः यज्जन्मनि प्रमुदिताः कृततूर्यघोषाः
पुष्पोत्करान् प्रववृषुर्नुनुवुः सुरौघाः
पुष्पोत्करान् प्रववृषुर्नुनुवुः सुरौघाः पुष्पोत्करान् प्रववृषुर्नुनुवुः सुरौघाः
So a lot of people have in the previous shloka, whether it is Virinchi or Virincha. So both are accepted. Virinchi is more right because Virinchi is the name of Brahma. So we will stick with Virinchi, and so is Yasani Shastri book. Now repeat the whole shloka, Spurti, second shloka.
मूर्तिर्हि धर्मगृहिणी सुषुवे भवन्तम् नारायणं नरसखं महितानुभावम् यज्जन्मनि प्रमुदिताः कृततूर्यघोषाः पुष्पोत्करान् प्रववृषुर्नुनुवुः सुरौघाः.
Good. Now we will have Prahlad sharing his experience for 2-3 minutes. Then we will see one more shloka, and then I will recite the whole of the 15th dashakam today. And we have a couple of announcements also. Prahlad, you can unmute yourself and you can switch on your video.
Ram. Can you hear?
Ram. Yes, we can.
So I attended both of these memorization tests. I attended both of the memorization tests, and I just want to say a few things that that helped me to memorize them, all the slokas. So the first one is my father. We used to have one PDF of Narayanyam. So he highlighted all the Mahapranas. And so first I'll try saying, I'll look at the PDF. I'll say it with all the Mahapranas. Next time I won't see the PDF. I'll try to remember the Mahapranas and say it. So I was able to say all the Mahapranas correctly. And then the second thing is I kept on saying it. So I used to practice with my mother. And at that time, first I'll say the sixth. For example, I used to say the sixth dashakam first sloka. Then if I can't say the starting of the sixth dashakam second sloka, I'll say the ending of the sixth dashakam first sloka and say the starting of the sixth dashakam second sloka. Then that will help me remember what comes next, the next sloka. And then if I don't get a few more lines in that second sloka, I'll say the first and the second slokam 5 times. And then you mentioned one thing, sir, in one class, that is you have to keep listening to it and keep saying it. So I tried that also for the memorization, and that helped me a lot to memorize. And then all these Mahapranas, I'll try and remember them when I'm practicing. If I don't say it, my mother will tell me that I'm not saying this Mahaprana. Then I'll say the full dashakam with trying to remember the Mahapranas in each slokam. And if I don't say one ending properly, then I'll say the previous sloka and then this one 5 times and then continue with the dashakam. So these are most of the things that help me memorize it. Ram Ram Ram, thank you.
Ram Ram. Very good. Well presented. So he made two very important points. So one is marking the Mahapranas. So when you have not had the experience of reciting Mahapranas with the full force, marking the Mahapranas makes a huge difference. So many of you, when you recite, I keep saying, concentrate on the Mahapranas, make the Mahapranas better. So what, as he said, you have to mark the Mahapranas. That is the place I have to concentrate upon and make a different stress over there. I have to give more prana to that. That is one. The second, while memorizing, as he said, when you might, at the end of a shloka, you will not remember the next shloka, or at the end of the line, you will not remember the next line. So you should not look at the book and simply start telling the next line. So you should look at the book and then tell the previous line along with the next line. So you should tell the ending of the previous shloka along with the next shloka. So only then you will get the flow. Or else each shloka will be separately memorized, but the continuity will not come. So at the end of the shloka, you will forget what is the next shloka. Then you will have to refer the book again. So those are the two very important points. Very nicely he made. Good, Prahlad. So now we will continue on to the next third shloka, the last one for today. 16.3. Arjun.
Yeah.
Daityam.
Daityam. Daityam.
Sahasra Kavacham.
Sahasra Kavacham. Sahasra Kavacham.
Kavachaih Paritam.
Kavachaih Paritam. Kavachaih Paritam.
Sahasra Vatsara.
Sahasravatsara. Sahasravatsara.
Apasamara.
Apasamara. Apasamara.
Tapasamara.
Tapasamara. Tapasamara.
Abhilavyaihi.
Abhilavyaihi. Abhilavyaihi.
Paryaya.
Paryaya. Paryaya.
Nirmita tapaha.
Nirmita tapaha. Nirmita tapaha.
Samarau bhavantau.
Samarau bhavantau. Samarau bhavantau.
Shishtaika.
Shishtaika. Shishtaika.
Kankatamamum.
Kankatamamum. Kankatamamum.
Nyahatam.
Nyahatam. Nyahatam.
Salilam.
Salilam. Salilam.
Again, there is a printing mistake. It is Salilam, not Salalim. Sali and then lam. There is no li here. It is Salilam. Salilam. Daityam Sahasra Kavacham.
Daityam Sahasra Kavacham. Daityam Sahasra Kavacham.
Kavachaih Paritam.
Kavachaih Paritam. Kavachaih Paritam.
Sahasravatsara.
Sahasravatsara. Sahasravatsara.
Apasamara.
Apasamara. Apasamara. Tapasamara. Tapasamara. Tapasamara.
Abhilavyaihi.
Abhilavyaihi. Abhilavyaihi.
Tapasamarabhilavyaihi.
Tapasamarabhilavyaihi. Tapasamarabhilavyaihi.
पर्याय निर्मित
पर्याय निर्मित
तपस्समरौ
तपस्समरौ भवन्तौ
शिष्टैककङ्कटममुं
शिष्टैककङ्कटममुं
न्यहतां सलीलम्
न्यहतां सलीलम्
दैत्यं सहस्रकवचं कवचैः परीतम्
दैत्यं सहस्रकवचं कवचैः परीतं दैत्यं सहस्रकवचं कवचैः परीतं
सहस्रवत्सरतपस्समराभिरव्यैः
सहस्रवत्सरतपस्समराभिलव्यैः sorry सहस्रवत्सर तपस्समराभिलव्यैः सहस्रवत्सरतपस्समराभिलव्यैः
पर्याय निर्मित तपस्समरौ भवन्तौ शिष्टैककङ्कटममुन्यहतां सलीलम्
शिष्टैककङ्कटममुन्यहितां सलीलम् न्यहतां सलीलम् शिष्टैककङ्कटममुन्यहतां सलीलम् शिष्टैककङ्कटममुन्यहतां सलीलम्
also
दैत्यं सहस्रकवचं कवचैः परीतं सहस्रवत्सरतपस्समराभिलव्यैः पर्यायनिर्मिततपस्समरौ भवन्तौ शिष्टैककङ्कटममुन्यहतां सलीलम्.
So now that is the end of new shlokas for today. We will go on a couple of announcements. So the discourse for the Dashakams 11 to 15 is tomorrow. That is 11th October, 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. 6:30 to probably 8:15, 8:30, about 2 hours. So I don't know. I hope to finish all the 5 Dashakams. So this is a little more getting difficult to finish 5 Dashakams in 2 hours. I want to tell a lot more, but we will anyway finish it in 2 hours, 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. tomorrow. That is Sunday. 6:30 p.m. is a discourse. YouTube live streaming. A mail will come out mostly tomorrow morning. A mail will come out with the link for the live stream. And the memorization test for Dashakams 11 to 15 will be after Navaratri. That is, Navaratri ends on 27th. I think Vijayadashmi is on 26th. Vijayadashmi is. So probably at the end of the month, we will begin with memorization test. As usual, the process, I will send out the mails and the slots for this thing. So you cannot register with the Google form and very similar things. I think those are the couple of announcements. And the course page has been updated with all the classes. And importantly, I have updated the Dashakam 16 to 20 also on the course page with Word documents. So there are PDF documents in 5 different languages and similarly Word documents. So if at all some of you want to download the Word documents and then correct it digitally itself, because we are telling some corrections, the corrections will take some time to reflect there, or you can take a printout if that would be easier and then correct it on the book itself. So whichever works for you. Many of you have books also, so whichever is fine, all that is fine. So if any other questions pertaining to this, we will take it after I recite the 15th Dashakam completely. So I will recite the whole of the 15th Dashakam. अथ पंचदशं दशकं मतिरिह गुणसक्ता बन्धकृत्तेष्वसक्ता त्वमृतकृदु परुन्धे भक्तियोगस्तु सक्तिं महदनुगमलभ्या भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः प्रकृति महदहंकाराश्च मात्राश्च भूतान्यपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पूरुषः पञ्चविंशः इति विदित विभागो मुच्यते सौ प्रकृत्या कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः प्रकृतिगत गुणौघैर्नाच्यते पूरुषोऽयं यदि तु सजति तस्यां तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन् मदनुभजन तत्त्वालोचनैः साप्यपेयात् कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः विमलमतिरुपात्तैरासनाद्यैर्मदङ्गम् गरुडसमधिरूढं दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्गं रुचितुलिततमालं शीलयेतानुवेलं कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः मम गुणगणलीलाकर्णनैः कीर्तनाद्यैः मयि सुरसरिदोघ प्रख्यचित्तानुवृत्तिः भवति परमभक्तिः साहि मृत्योर्विजेत्री कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः अहह बहुलहिंसा सञ्चितार्थैः कुटुम्बं प्रतिदिनमनुपुष्णन् स्त्रीजितो बाललाली विशति हि गृहसक्तो यातनां मय्यभक्तः कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः युवति जठरखिन्नो जातबोधोऽप्यकाण्डे प्रसवगलितबोधः पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य बाल्यम् पुनरपि बत मुह्यत्येव तारुण्यकाले कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः पितृसुरगणयाजी धार्मिको यो गृहस्थः स च निपतति काले दक्षिणाध्वोपगामी मयि निहितमकामं कर्म तूदक्पथार्थं कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः इति सुविदितवेद्यान् देवहे देवहूतिं कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य त्वं गतो योगिसङ्घैः विमलमतिरथासौ भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता त्वमपि जनहितार्थं वर्तसे प्रागुदीच्याम् परम किमु बहुक्त्या त्वत्पदाम्भोजभक्तिं सकलभयविनेत्रीं सर्वकामोपनेत्रीं वदसि खलु दृढं त्वं तद्विधूयामयान्मे गुरुपवनपुरेश त्वय्युपाधत्स्वभक्तिम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये कपिलोपदेशं नाम पञ्चदशतमं दशकं समाप्तं नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. So now we will start with this. Okay, we'll start with some questions. Before that, in the 13th dashakam, 8th shloka or so, I think in the separate dashakam where I have recited the whole thing, I have made a mistake on the third line. So it should be Parapurusha Karnecha Chamasaha. So the Visarga I have missed out while reciting in the 13th dashakam. Chamasaha should have been there. I have said Parapurusha Karnecha Chamasaha Vibho Somo Viryam. So it should have been Chamasaha, a Visarga there. So whoever listening to that recording, please correct it. And I will also try to change it on the YouTube recording. I don't know whether I can edit it there, but I will try my best to edit it there. So I had corrected it during the class when Arjun was reciting after me, repeating after me. But I made the same mistake while reciting the whole of the Dashakam. So that mistake has reflected on the YouTube recording of the separate Dashakams. Just be careful there. Probably I'll put in a comment there also, and I will try to edit that video. So now I will just put all the hands down. Anyone who has questions can raise their hands. Yeah, you can raise your hands for questions. Jyoti Shanai. Ram Ram.
Yeah, good morning, Ram Guruji. Ram. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. I have a question, but for that, the Dashakam number 15, second verse, Prakruti Mahadahankara.
Yes.
In that, I have a query because I have to repeat the first two lines, because when you taught Vijay Lakshmi in the learning thing, there was a pause after Prakruti Mahadahankarascha. I will just repeat it. Correct me whether it is correct. Prakruti Mahadahankarascha Matrascha Bhutanya Piradapi Dashakshi Paurushav Panchavimshaha.
Correct. There is no problem.
Correct.
See, the pause can be given anywhere that there is a space between two words. There is no problem at all. Anywhere the pause can be given. The only point is sometimes the raga will go off if you give a pause in some places where there's a space in the words, and it might not be very natural. There is no mistake by Vyakarana, technical mistake, nothing will exist. If at all there's a space in the script, you can surely give a pause there. There is no doubt.
Okay, because last Saturday when Amogha repeated it, the first three slokas in the solo, in that after Bhuta, he went full line like you today, and after Bhuta, he gave a slight pause and went to Nyapi Radapi Dashakshi.
Yes. That slight pause is for telling the line is ending. That slight pause also is not required. The point is, the usual Yati Bhanga, the semicolon that I've given, cannot be given in the first line, because that comes after Prakriti Mahadahankara. It comes at the Ra, it comes there.
Okay. Thank you. I wanted to learn the right way. Okay. Thank you, Guruji, very much.
Kishore Venkitachalam. Ram. You are unmuted. You can talk. Kishore.
Hello.
Ram.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Ram. Will there be classes during the Navaratri time?
I think I have not planned to stop it, because it is only 1 hour on Saturday. Here also Navaratri is a big festival. A lot of people will be coming home. But I hope Saturday evening 1 hour is, I know evening is a lot of time, but I have not planned to give any break on the class. So there will be two classes during Navaratri. One on the 17th and one on the 24th.
Yeah. Okay. Shubhratri.
Hrishita Ramachandra. Yourself.
Namaskaram. Can you please recite the first three shlokas of the 16th Dashakam again?
Okay, I'll do that. Okay, shall I do it now only? I thought. Okay, I'll do it now and then take the next question from Deepa Sharath. I'll just repeat the first three slokams from 16th Dashakam. Daksho virinchitanayoth manostanujam labdhva prasutimiha shodashachapakanyah dharme trayodasha dadau pitrishu svadhancha swaham habirbhuji satin girishetvadamshe मूर्तिर्हि धर्मगृहिणी सुषुवे भवन्तं नारायणं नरसखं महितानुभावम् यज्जन्मनि प्रमुदिताः कृततूर्यघोषाः पुष्पोत्करान् प्रववृषुर्नुनुवुः सुरौघाः दैत्यं सहस्रकवचं कवचैः परीतं साहस्रवत्सरतपः समराभिलव्यैः पर्याय निर्मिततपः समरौ भवन्तौ शिष्टैककङ्कटममुन्यहतां सलीलम्. So next.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next question, Deepa Sharat.
Ram, sir, the hand by mistake went up.
Okay, no problem. Shubha 1167.
Am I audible?
Yes, Ram.
Ram. நான் ட்ரை பண்ணினேன் மனப்பாடம் பண்றதுக்கு, பை ஹார்ட் பண்றதுக்கு. 14th தசகம்ல ஆரம்பிச்சேன் நானு. பண்ணினேன் ஒரு நாளைக்கு 2 தசகம்னு பண்ணினேன் நானு. 2 ஸ்லோகம்னு பண்ணினேன் 14th தசகம்ல. என்ன ஆறுது பண்ணி முடிச்சுட்டேன். பட் மை மைண்ட் இஸ் வெரி பிளாங்க். எனக்கு ஞாபகம் வரமாட்டேங்கிறது. ஐ வாண்ட் டு லேர்ன் இட் பை ஹார்ட். பட் அது வரல. அது எப்படி இதை திருப்பி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிறதுன்னு தெரியல எனக்கு.
நிறைய வாட்டி கேட்டு தான் வரணும். எல்லாரும் சொன்ன மாதிரி மல்டிபிள் டைம்ஸ் யூ ஹேவ் டு லிசன். மேபி ஈவன் 100 times 200 times யூ ஹேவ் டு லிசன். அந்த ரெக்கார்டிங்க திருப்பி போட்டு விட்டுடுங்க. அது ஒண்ணுதான் வழி, வேற வழியே. மெமரைசேஷனுக்கு the brain should just get accustomed to, it should just get written onto the brain. இப்போ கம்ப்யூட்டர் மெமரியில எழுதுற மாதிரி அது நம்ம மெமரியில எழுதணும். அது வேற வழியே கிடையாது. திருப்பி சொல்லணும். புஸ்தகத்தை பார்த்து நம்மளே 10 வாட்டி 20 வாட்டி 50 வாட்டி படிக்கலாம். கேட்கறது 100 வாட்டி 200 வாட்டி கேட்டுட்டே இருக்கலாம். அது ஒண்ணுதான் வழியே தவிர வேற வழியே கிடையாது.
ஓகே, இட் வாஸ் லிட்டில் டிமோட்டிவேட்டிங். அதனால உங்களை கேட்டு ஏதாவது வேற டிப்ஸ் இருந்தாக்க கேட்டுக்கலாம்.
எவ்வளவு வாட்டி படிக்கிறோமோ அவ்வளவு புண்ணியம். அதனால எவ்வளவு வாட்டி வேணாலும் படிக்கலாம். அதுவும் மெமரைசேஷன்ங்கிறது பண்ணா நல்லது. 100% பண்ணி டெஸ்ட் கொடுத்துதான் ஆனோங்கிறதும் கிடையாது. கம்பல்ஷன்.
எல்லாரும் சொல்றதை கேட்கும்போது ஆசையா இருக்கு, சொல்லணும்னு ஆசையா தான் இருக்கு. பட்
பண்றதுக்காக தான் அவளை சொல்ல வைக்கிறேன்னா பண்ணது ரொம்ப நல்லதுதான். நிறைய வாட்டி கேளுங்கோ, வந்து வராத போக.
ஓகே,
சொல்லுங்க. பக்கத்துல யாரும் ஆத்துல இருந்தானா அவள்கிட்ட சொல்லி பாருங்கோ, வந்து.
ஓகே ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.
தேவிகா ராணி.
Namaskara, Mahodaya.
Namaskara.
Mahodaya, you told that regarding the pronunciations of the words, you will share it from that Gita, the Gita thing which Brinda madam is taking in Vyoma. You said you will share it in this group so that we can also be benefited by getting the pronunciations right.
Oh, okay. No, that the class, Gita class, I hope if you go to the sanskritfromhome.in website, you just go to the first class of the Gita course. It is there on YouTube also. Same thing is there on YouTube also, the first session of Gita. There she has gone in full detail. The first session of Narayaniam also, I have explained quite a bit of pronunciation.
Okay.
And I have come again to it. I have repeated some parts of it, some nuances in while teaching Dashakam 8, if I'm not wrong. I wrote some things down, so I will find that video. If you can, if you find it, you can mail me which video. I forgot exactly which class it was, but I have explained with some written notes as to that Anuswara. Basically, there was a lot of confusion.
Yes,
so I wrote
especially there the Anuswara and Vakara, it changes to the 5th word and that part alone.
So one Bhagavad Gita first class, Brinda madam has explained in detail, and I have also explained in the first class of Narayaniam and in another class. So you can refer to it on YouTube or on the course page of Bhagavad Gita, both are.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
Panchanatham Swaminathan. Then I'll call Nirmala Krishna. Rama.
Yeah, it's very interesting. The audience to not last one before that, she had difficulty remembering it, right? I think
yes.
The problem is most of the times is the paying attention to what you are listening. That only you can do it. Nobody else can do it. So it is not it's not a limitation. But sometimes you constantly, it's like a செவிடங்காதுல உதற சங்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க அம்மா. நீ எல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டே இருக்க, நான் சொல்றதை கேட்க மாட்டேங்கிறேன். So the mind should focus on that. So if you do that, it's good. Anyway, my question more on this is, you have made some corrections and all. You said you have downloaded the document, right? So
yes.
Is it already up to date, or I should wait for a couple of days before I copy it?
The corrections as such are updated up to Dashakam 12 or 13, I think. But I have updated the document just yesterday with all the other the new Dashakams also. These up to 15 probably I'll update it this week sometime. And then as one of, I think you suggested or somebody else suggested, I put the date as to when last it was updated.
Yes, it helps.
Yeah.
Because I want to keep the correct one. I know everybody sometimes a part of Vedandra and all these they say, but I think I liked your presentation, how you were organizing things. So I want to keep that as my final master document for Narayan. So,
yes. So yes, yeah.
It is very useful, and one day I hope you will have some time to give the word by word meaning. But again, Tatparyam and all is, the way I look at it is, you can give Tatparyam, but if you want to really understand the Vyakarana, how the Kridantas and Janantas are put in, and you have to, get used to that one. That's a little bit challenging, but you can do it anyway.
Mr. Karl Krishnan suggested last week. We have started some basic work on that. Hopefully, that will also we will be able to give some directions, pointers in that direction also soon.
Yeah, I don't have S.N. Shastri's book because I in USA. I will get it. So is there a book which really goes through all this? Even I have studied Soundarya, everybody, they will go deeper onto philosophical implications than going into the actual language. See, I am more interested in the language, how it is done. Then we can interpret it based on our this one. So S.N. Shastri, if he does it, I will order that book. But that's very nice. I enjoy the classes, even though I don't have the time to memorize it. Again, my problem is the same thing. Concentrate and remember that one. So
correct. That's it. Attention is required. Yes.
Dhanyavada. Thank you.
Nirmala Krishnan, you are self-muted. Ramra. Samhita S. Either of you can unmute yourself. Samhita S or Nirmala Krishnan? Samhita S. Yes. Samhita? Ram, you're unmuted. You can talk.
Am I audible?
Yes.
This is Samhita's mother. I have two questions. One is regarding Naividyam pattern. Is there any particular Naividyam pattern, like in the Dasakam mudichittu idu pannanum, idu Naividyam pannanum, adu mari, is there any particular pattern
for Narayaniam? There is no particular pattern for Naivedyam. Usually during Parayanam we just put some grapes, Kalkanda and all these things. And for Bhagavatam, during Narasimhavatara, during Ramavatara and all, they have Panakam Naivedyam and those things. So whatever they do for Bhagavatam, same thing can be adopted here. But Bhagavatam, it happens over 7 days. Narayaniam, we can finish the Parayana either in 1 or 2 days. So all the Naivedyams will have to be done in the same day. So that is each one's their own bhakti and how much ever they can do, and depending on that.
Okay, because I got this doubt because we repeatedly learned the slokas so many times. So maybe like any other Lalita Sahasranama or something like that, there they say we have to do some Naivedyam when we say it so many times. So like that, I got
like Lalita Sahasranamam or Devi Mahatmyam, there is a little more Madi and Achara and many other discipline that is required for Devi Stotras, but not so much for Narayanam. You can recite it anytime, anyhow. When doing Parayanam, you can do some special Naivedyams as you would like it.
Okay. Dhanyavad. Thank you.
Sharada PCMC. Ram. Sharada or
Namaskaram Mahodaya. My husband also wants to join this class. Can he?
Yeah. Anybody can join. There is nobody is stopping anybody from joining. Anybody can join from
Already
anywhere.
15. 15
anybody.
ദിവസം വரைக்கும் ആയിട്ടേ
அது பரவாயில்ல. So what? You can start from here. From 16th dashakam, start and go forward. We have another 85 dashakams to go. It is a long journey.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody can
ரொம்ப
learn.
சந்தோஷம்.
It is for,
ரொம்ப
so
சந்தோஷம். Thank you.
Everyone. Anybody can join at any time. So nobody is stopping. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, Ram Mahodaya. I have a request, something of a suggestion, since your discourse is coming up, and going back to one of the questions earlier also about the meanings of some of these, especially the difficult words. You have also pointed out that sometimes he uses these slightly unusual constructions and so on. So I was wondering if during the discourse, this may not be relevant to most of the audience, but at least for those who are trying to follow the grammar and the vocabulary, if you can highlight anything that's unusual or different, so that that helps us with that. The rest of it we can kind of manage with our own research and
tomorrow's discourse. And as I was telling Swaminathan sir also, a couple of people are working on the grammatical nuances and trying to come up with a document of the samasa, the lakara and purusha vachana and all those pratyayas and everything of each shloka. So hopefully when we come up with a document of that sort, and we'll be able to share with everyone and do something like that. So that will also be helpful for a later stage. And any very special usage, I will try to incorporate into my discourse. Surely, that's a good session. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
Thanks. I think those are the questions for today. Yeah. Jyotisha raised her hand again. Okay. I think I'll put on. Ram.
Yes. I wanted to ask you, is there a discourse tomorrow? I missed on what she was saying.
Tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. You will get a mail. And anyway, the YouTube recording, live recording will be available on YouTube.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Ram. Uma K.
Yes, namaste Ji. Shruyate va? Can you hear me? Usually I don't get the reminder emails at all. I log in using the webinar ID. Is it the case with others also?
Some of them complain about this. I think one thing you should mail, you can mail to the Sanskrit from Home at vyomalabs.in or sanskritfromhome@gmail.com, the other mail for support, because I'm not doing the technical, I'm not handling the technical side. And so you can mail them and tell that this is the issue, that you are not receiving reminders. And yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Dhanyavad. Surya Narayanan Moddukuru. Ram, Surya Narayanan.
Hello, நமஸ்காரம் சார். ஆக்சுவலா இப்போ இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு கேள்வி கேட்டா இல்லையா, இமெயில் வரதில்ல சில பேருக்குன்னு. அது நான் ரெகுலரா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், இமெயிலுக்காக இருக்காம இந்த சான்ஸ்கிரிட் ஃப்ரம் ஹோம்ல போய் லாகின் பண்ணிட்டாலே கோர்ஸ் பேஜ்ல இருந்து நம்ம இந்த வெபினார் ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம் மாதிரி வசதி இருக்கு. லைக் ஐ டூ தட் ஃபார் அஷ்டதியாயி, ஃபார் தட் அமரகோஷா அண்ட் ஆல். சான்ஸ்கிரிட் ஃப்ரம் ஹோம்ல நம்ம இதை பாஸ்வேர்ட், யூசர் ஐடி, பாஸ்வேர்ட் போட்டு லாகின் பண்ணிட்டு உள்ள போயிட்டு நம்ம என்ன கோர்ஸ்ல என்ன இருக்கோமோ அதுல டைரக்டா வெபினார் ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம் அன்னைக்கு. ஸோ தட் ஆல்சோ கேன் பி ட்ரைடு சார்.
So yeah, the Uma K who asked, that can be tried. Another thing is by mistake you would have either unsubscribed, or it might be in some, now in Gmail has multiple folders, updates, forums, and each time it will go into a different folder.
Correct. Ama sir, I thought of sharing this with you, sir. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Kalpana Rajagopal. Ram.
ராம் கேக்குறதா? என் குரல் கேக்குறதா? சார் இப்போ ஒருத்தர் சொன்னார் இல்லையா, ஆக்சுவலி என்னன்னாக்கா அது லாகின் பண்றோம், பட் இந்த மெயில் இந்த ரிகார்டிங் டெஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஆல் வி ஐ ஆல்சோ டோன்ட் ரிசீவ் எனி மெயில். Some link you are sending, no, that I'm not getting it for the test especially.
I'm not really sure because that the send whatever I send, it goes to about 1,700 people who are registered for the course. That's what it shows me. What I get is it has been sent to all the registrants of the course. I'm not sure what should be done. One thing you can probably do is you can go to the course page, say unsubscribe, that is opt out of the course and then opt in again. That is probably one way which it might work. Unsubscribe from the course and then take the course again. So that works for this not receiving of mails, because once you subscribe for the course again, your mail ID will get registered with that automatic this thing again. That is one possible. Yeah.
Okay, I'll try that. Then I will also send a mail to Sanskrit from home.
Yeah, you can do that.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Kalyana Krishnan.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I just want to make 2 points. Number one, if you read an Narayaniam, most of it is tailored towards prayer for the self-improvement. Most of it is. But these are very difficult times in the whole world. So let's also remember that we extend the prayers towards the rest of the world and those that are less fortunate than we are. That's number one. Number two thing is, prayers is one thing. There's a lot of people who suffer both in the US and the rest of the world. And of course, India is a much more difficult case. There's a lot more people that are poor and unable to sustain. Therefore, those that can afford to do something, please extend your hands to those that are needy, no matter where you may be. And extend your prayers also for all of those people that are afflicted in the world. And that's just my request. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. So all of you should take note of Kalyana sir's, Krishnan sir's words. He gives us a lot of points, and please take note of what he's saying. We should extend our hands, and just in Narayaniam also, as I said in the second shloka, it says Vishwapidapahati. So it can be interpreted as let the whole world be relieved of the suffering. So always Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu is important. And next is Mohana Sundararajan. Then I'll call Meera R.
Mahodaya. Ram. Yeah. Many were complaining that they didn't receive mail. My humble suggestion is once I also didn't receive, then I wrote a mail to Vyoma. They asked me to search in spam. So I found it in spam. So they can also see in spam instead of regular mail. Instead of inbox, they can see in the spam. I have got it in the spam, and from that I am finding it. Suppose if I am not in the regular mail, I'll be finding it in the spam. So that is also my humble suggestion. Thank you.
Yeah, that works. Good. Thank you. That's what. As I said, it might go into many folders, and if you don't see that same mail for many days, it starts going to spam. So that's what might happen. So please look into spam also. I think that is the end of questions. It is already 9:30. So I don't think we have time to recite the previous shlokas today. I'm sorry. And we have preparations for Navaratri going on. So we will look into recitation next class. Hopefully we will have lesser questions, or I will not take question session, and then we will go right into recitation of the previous shlokas. Ram Sarvebhyah Shubharatrihi Dhanyavadaha. Agrima Saptahe Drakshyamas.